Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. Today we will solve most important Germany Olympiad math problem, that is 4 raised to power y equals 30. Find the value of y. We will solve this question in a very easy and simple way by applying the log. So apply log on both sides. Log 4 raised to power y equals log 30. Then power will be in start, so it become y log 4 equal log 30. Now we will write the value of y as y equal log 30 divided by log 4. Then this will become log 30 can be raised as 6 multiply 5 divided by log 4. So we will make it more simplifying. It will become log 6 by log 4 plus log 5 by log 4. Now we will write log 6 as log 3 multiply 2 and log 4 can be write as 2 log 2 plus log 5 and log 4 can be write as 2 log 2. So this will become log 3 by 2 log 2 plus log 2 by 2 plus log 5 by 2 log 2. Then we will get 1 by 2 as common and remaining is log 3 by log 2 plus log 5 by log 2, and this will be cancel out and plus 1. So here we apply the change base. According to that, 1 by 2 plus into log base is 2 and 3 plus log base will be 2 and 5 plus 1. So this will be the answer. In this way, we will easily find the value of log. So y equals 1 by 2 log base 2 3 plus log base 2 5 plus 1. This will be the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.